What's good, superstars? Back with another video, and today we have a recommended video. We are going to be talking all about rebounds. You guys are
Yeah.
like, what? We're talking about basketball? No, we're talking about rebounds. This is, if you did not know, another way to get a drop after the drop.
Yeah.
So,
And
Rob, you got to let them know who
I
recommended this.
yeah, we would like to thank Not Van Du Nguyen. He posted on one of our videos that he wanted to see the 4 minute drop, and he's a subscriber, so thank you for
Yeah.
all the support, and this one is for you.
So if you guys don't watch Veve Vault, you got to go check him out. This is where I learned it from, so I got to give credit. All credit to Veve Vault. He's a huge Veve YouTuber, and he records every single drop and shows him doing it live or what he's doing, and it works. Like I didn't think it would work. People always say in the comments, "Oh, I won't believe it till I see it happen." I've seen it happen with my own eyes in front of me on my own phone, and that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna pull up the phone. Okay, that's the phone, guys. This is my stuff. If you ever want to see my vault, maybe one day I will show you, but right now it's not that crazy impressive. So I don't know. Maybe you guys want to see it though stuff. And we can show Rob's or whatever. So example, this is the next drop, right? The Alpha Flight. So when you go to buy the drop, you go onto the screen from the store and you see these numbers over here, right? All going around. It tells you when the buy now is going to happen. So when this happens, you're always going to wait. First of all, first drop, you got to wait until 1 second after zero. So it's going to hit zero. Then 1 second later is when the buy now button drops. So I've been getting lucky hitting it just at 1 second later, but button mashings work sometimes. It's different for everybody. So whatever works for you, that's what you want to do. Okay, so test it out different ways. This next drop's gonna be really tough to get. Only 10K mints.
Yeah.
Do not worry if you don't get it. You might, and you probably won't get a rebound either. The more mints, obviously, the more likely. The Myrmacornos, my wife got two on rebounds. She missed the drop. So what happens is you get this number here, it drops down to zero. The buy now, you hit it, you get it or you don't. But the important thing is when that happens, do not, okay, do not back up. Do not click any of these buttons at the bottom here. Don't click any of them. Leave it on this page, and the buy now button should still be there if you get it or if you don't get it. Even if you get it, when you're done getting it, the truck comes, tells you got it. After that, once you X out of that, you're going to be back on this screen, and the buy now button should still be here. Okay, if the buy now button's not there, sometimes on the collectible drops, especially, or any blind box drops, the buy now button has been lately disappearing to sold out. And in that case, it's pretty tough to get it back. Like you can back out and go back in and go back out right at 4 minutes or 8 minutes, and you might get the buy now button back, but it's tough. So like if you lose the buy now button, you're pretty much not going to get a rebound, in my opinion. So what happens then is you hit the buy now, you get it or you don't, you X out, you still got the buy now there. Then what you want to do is you want to pull up this screen here. You want to go to time.gov, okay? So time.gov, and in the top right there, you're going to see that we've got a nice little timer here, and pretty much this is the timer I've been using, and I've gotten three, I think, total rebounds, two at the 4 and one at the 8. So every 4 minutes after the drop, you know your drop is going to be at 11 a.m. if you're in the East Coast or whatever, right? And this clock usually displays as your clock time, I think, or whatever. Yet it doesn't even matter because actually this is UTC, so it doesn't matter. You're just looking at the last four numbers here, anyways, right?
Yeah, it's a
So
multiple of 4.
yeah, so once this is at 0, then you see it at 4, and then you see it at 8, and then you see it at 12. And you can keep going as long. I've heard people saying they get it at like 28 minutes, but I don't know if I believe it.
Yeah.
But so yeah, so that's pretty much it. Right when this hits 400, you hit the buy now again on your phone. Okay, so this hits 400, you go back, you're back on your phone, and you're smashing the buy now button, and you're laughing, right? Because it's going to be right here still. And if you don't get it, it's fine. Leave it. Do it again. Repeat the process. Go back and forth until it's done.
If you have the will. If you have
If you have the will, you know what I mean. You're
4
just
minutes.
sitting there. The hardest part for me is if you win it, and then you win a rebound, it's going back and checking what you got, because you don't know what you got here unless it's like a blind box. Blind box, it tells you like you got the rare, or you got.
Yeah.
But comics, it says you won't know the rarity until it's delivered. So you can go as long as you want, but then you're gonna go back into your collection or whatever, And once you go back here and you go back, it's going to say sold out. So you can't leave. That's the trick. All right, guys. So if you wanted to know about 4 minute, 8 minute, 16 minute, 12 minute, all the four multiples of 4, that's how you do the rebound. It's a secret trick to get it after the drop. And I heard of people getting Walt after the drop.
Oh, yeah?
Take that in. Walt was like limited run, $333, and people were getting him after the drop on rebounds. And I didn't get one.
Back.
Unreal,
that was way back too.
Like, yeah, I know. There's obviously less competition back then, and less people knew about them. But crazy stories. If you listen to the community, it's crazy stories. Yeah. So I thought that was good to share. I think we should have a video on it on the channel just so everybody knows about it.
That was a great explanation.
Playing the same game. Yeah. So
that was a great explanation.
I don't know if you want to add anything else or if that's it. I think
I think for the technique and that tip, fantastic explanation. Nothing else to add. I just want to thank Not Vandu Nguyen again for his comment, and anyone else, comment below if you want to hear about anything. Give us some ideas, and we're gonna try to make a video for you if we can.
Yeah, are there any other tricks that you guys know? Let us know down below. We're giving you our tricks. Give us your tricks. How do we win more drops? We're trying to make it fun for everybody subscribed to this channel. So hit the subscribe button for more tips. Hit the notification bell. You'll get the post when it's out because everybody's got so many subscriptions. That's going to let you know when we post. Hit the thumbs up button, and we will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.